the 2008 Nissan Xterra. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a 4-liter 6-cylinder engine. Top features include remote keyless entry, one-touch window functionality, skid plates, and a split-folding rear seat. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Nissan also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.